if there is a withdrawal of the UN forces from Bosnia, then there must be a belief that the job is done. If not, and the job is not done, of course, then the withdrawal of the UN troops would help the aggression and will help the aggressor finalize the job here and legalize its deeds.
The peacekeepers are more and more in danger of being targeted. France has lost the most of peacekeepers. More than 30 French soldiers have been killed performing peacekeeping duties in this country. So there is certain fatigue among troop contributing nations with this mission. And this is why their concerns have to be looked at.
UN je i dobro došao, uradio je mnogo stvari dobri, ali nije efikasan, bar one rezolucije što su donijete, nije sproveo baš ni jednu, tako da koliko je dobro, toliko nije dobro.
Pa mislim da svoj mandat nisu izvršili. Mi bi poželjeli kao građani ovog grada da rade tačno ono što im je rezolucijama propisano, a ako neće da rade, onda ne vidim razloga njihovog ostanka.